basic greetings and introductions. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Emma. Where are you from? I am from Tokyo, Japan. How long have you been learning English? I started learning English 6 months ago. I want to improve my English speaking skills. Daily life conversations. What do you do? I work as a teacher. I'm a student. What do you usually do on weekends? I like to watch movies and go for a walk. How was your day? It was good. I was busy with work. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Ordering food and shopping. I'd like a cappuccino, please. Can I have the menu, please? Do you have any recommendations? How much is this t-shirt? Do you accept credit cards? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I try this dress on? Do you have this in a different size? Travel and directions. Where is the nearest train station? How do I get to Central Park? Can you show me on the map? Is it within walking distance? How long does it take to get there? What time does the bus to the airport leave? I need a taxi to the Hilton Hotel, please. Making small talk. The weather is nice today, isn't it? Do you like traveling? What kind of music do you like? I like pop music, especially Taylor Swift's songs. Have you ever been to New York? I enjoy watching soccer. What about you? What's your favorite food? I love sushi and pizza. Do you have any hobbies? I like reading novels and playing the guitar. At a hotel I have a reservation under Emma Johnson. What time is check-in? Could I have a late checkout? Is breakfast included? The air conditioner isn't working. Can I get an extra towel, please? Emergencies and asking for help. I need some help, please. I don't feel well. Call an ambulance, please. I lost my wallet. Can you help me find my way? Talking about yourself. I have a family of 4. I like reading books and playing video games. My dream is to travel around the world. I've been learning English for 6 months. I want to make more international friends. Expressing opinions and feelings. I think this movie is really interesting. I love Italian food. I don't like spicy food. I'm excited about my trip to Paris. That sounds fun. I'm not sure about that.